Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change screen timeout on your iPhone 17 Pro. So if your iPhone 17 Pro screen turns off too quickly or vice versa, it stays longer than you would like, then you have to adjust the auto lock setting. Okay, so let's go to settings on my iPhone, and then you want to scroll until you reach display in brightness section. And from here find auto lock option. So here you can see a list of time options ranging from 30 seconds to never or 5 minutes. So you have to select the duration that you want. For example, you can choose a shorter time like 30 seconds or 1 minute for better battery life, or you can select never if you want the screen to stay on while you read or while you charge. So it basically it will not turn off. And yeah, that's basically it. It's very easy to change your auto lock setting, and it's very useful. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.